Alright folks, welcome back into another case with a Mark surgeon. In today's episode, we do have a different case. This is not the regular like a MacBook, and today we do have a Steam Deck that came in for completely critical condition. All the USB port parts are ripped, and we have to take a look and see if we can save this patient. Let's take a look. Alright, it came in like in this condition. As you can see, someone tried to replace the connector, and they couldn't get it done. They came into our surgery room. Let's try to check it and see under the microscope, so if we can fix this unit. It came in like this. We do have also the broken connector. Let me show you. It came like this. Here we are. As you can see, we do have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 parts.
A lot of boring math later.
Almost all of them are ripped except of one tooth. Let's get into and see if we can fix this unit.
1, 2, 3, go!
Alright folks, eventually it's done. It took me around like 3 hours in order to be able to get it done with this job. I will not do ever again this kind of job.
Go away! I never want to see you again!
Alright, now it's a moment of truth. Pay attention on the right corner. Let's check it and see if this unit, it will power it on or no. Okay, 5 volt. Okay, and now we have a 15 volt and it's charging. I think it's booting. Let's check it the other side. We do have a 5 volt. Okay, it's blink and 15 volt. Alright folks, this was another painful but success microsurgery. I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to share, subscribe and comment. In case if you have any question, you can leave in the comment section and I will try to answer your question. And I'll see you next time. Bye bye.